How many reps of each exercise should you do in each set? Now, before I answer this question, it's important to mention that if I give you a number, it doesn't mean you just do, say, 10 reps and then you stop because I said to do 10 reps. What we're trying to do is choose exercises or an amount of weight at the gym that makes it so that you reach this number of reps and you're reaching form failure. Form failure means that you can't do another rep without sacrificing your form. So how many should that be? On the high end of the range, we have kind of from the 20 to 30, maybe sometimes even 40 rep range. This is going to build muscular endurance and often help with cardiovascular benefits. Meaning if you're training for endurance sports, you play football or cricket, or you like to run long distance, it can be great to include some muscular endurance training in your workouts. Lighter weights, often more active exercises, going for that higher rep range in the 20 to 30 or above range. Now, for the average person, beginning or intermediate level, and you're looking to just be in shape, get stronger, maybe burn some fat, a very common and great effective rep range is 10 to 15 and maybe 18 or 20 on the high side. So that means that when you get to maybe 12 reps or 13 reps, you are struggling and you just really can't do any more without sacrificing your form. Or maybe you stop 1 or 2 reps before that. But if it feels easy and you know you could do 5 or 10 more, you need a harder exercise or more weight. So we're looking to get close to that form failure in about 10 to 15 and sometimes 20 reps. Now, if you're looking to put on some muscle mass, especially a serious level of muscle mass more in the bodybuilding world, we're looking more like 6 or 7 reps on the low side, up to about 12 reps on the high side. That 6 to 12 rep range is really good for building mass as long as the volume of your workouts is high and the intensity is equally high. Now, the last example we have is strength training. And this doesn't mean just somebody who wants to get a little bit stronger. This means you want to build serious strength, kind of in the strength training, powerlifting world. If you're looking for that as your main goal, then a rep range is actually going to be much lower, more like 3 to 6 or 7 reps per set, and that is your all-out max. You get to that 5th or 6th rep, and you can't do any more. Now, when we're doing this kind of strength training, this is reserved for people who are more experienced lifters, and it also requires much more rest in between each set. Now, speaking of sets, in our next video, I will be talking about how many sets you want to do in each workout. But for the rep range, we have strength training, maybe 3 to 6, hypertrophy, which is building muscle mass, that's 6 to 12, general fitness, 10 to 20, and for muscular endurance, cardiovascular, that 20 to 30 or even 40 range.